Cepal Hellas is one of the three mega services in Greece. It manages about 26 billion euro assets under management, and we employ about 1,000 people. The current priority of my organization within the firm is to move to AWS cloud. We are investing all our efforts there, decommission our legacy platform, and move all our workflows to AWS. In order for us to choose our cloud platform, we did a proof of concept, out of which we drove some conclusions. The first one, and most important, was that our cloud partners were available in Greece. What AWS Greece is doing for us is they're bringing us into contact with other innovators and other companies, like-minded companies, and help us move forward even in our own domain. We learn things that we might not know. I would say that I'm really impressed by the quality of people that AWS attracted in Greece. The developers, the support staff, the architects are of highest quality, and they really helped us in our journey. And the second was that the capabilities of the cloud that we chose, AWS, was matching our team of developers, data scientists, and so on. More agile, more hands-on, more technical. AWS provides us a foundation where the data science and the data engineering teams can quickly implement ideas and deliver results for our business. We didn't have this before. I am excited to see my team continuously learning, and AWS provides us with this capability. And I'm personally excited to play with new toys that I get out of AWS.